Hey all, Ashley here from Ashley Bright Crafts, and today I am unboxing the November Hip Kit Club kits, and I'm super excited because these are their Christmas kits, and it's full of all just exclusive products that Kim and Kimberly make, and I absolutely loved these kits last year. So I'm really excited to see what is in this year's kits. I'll leave information in the description bar below too. Yeah, I have all the kits except for the color kit. So I will start with the main kit, and I'll start with the papers. So here's the first one. It's kind of like a deep red, very traditional colors with these florals on the front, and then green with a little pine tree on the back. So very traditional Christmas colors there. And then this one has like a very soft pink background, and then this deep red stitching. This would be kind of fun to maybe hand stitch over too, so I might try that. And then green on the back, and then this is cute little polka dots, little pom-poms, and then oh, I love this color. It's like more teal color, teal turquoise color, just softer color. I like using kind of non-traditional Christmas colors during this time, so I love this paper. Look how cute, this cute little, I love these two colors together. Super cute little houses, and then the back is this black and white checkered pattern, flag pattern. And then look how cute, oh my gosh, this is so cute, with the little stockings on it and the pink background. This is so adorable. And the back is this red plaid. And then super cute little snowflakes. Again, kind of more softer colors here. So you get a good mix of traditional versus a little softer, more pastel-y colors, depending on what you prefer, or you can just mix and match both together. But yeah, super cute. And then this other one was kind of like that turquoise pattern again, and this back has stripes that are little dots, and red dots, and candy canes on the front. And then this little ornament paper, so cute. And then this black and white print back. Oh, so cute, little trees. So cute. Oh, adorable. And then super useful black and white stripe on the back, and oh my gosh, I love this paper. So cute. This would be really good for festive kitting. Getting all these little presents. And then, oh, I like this side a lot too. Really pretty. Super pink. And then, but not quite red. This deeper color, it's kind of more muted. Cool. Okay, so that's all the papers. And then also in the main kit, you get these puffy dots, and these are not quite an enamel dot. These are softer and a little bit flat, so something a little different, which is fun. And then this cute little sequins mix, and then these little wood veneers that look like little Christmas cookies. That's so cute. Look at this one, so cute. And then you have these alphas, and oh, they have little a little design on them, really pretty. And then you get these, here's the front, you can get these chipboard stickers with lots of frames, and then some sentiments and other, oh, this is cool. Really cute, really cute. And then there is a bunch of die cuts. Let me see. I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna put them on this. Let me pull them out of the package. So let's see. Spread them about. I'll show everything, but just to get an idea. There's lots of little trees in here, and oh my gosh, look how cute! There's a little penguin in this car. That's so cute. Oh, another penguin with a little ornament. So cute. Love these little adorable kind of things. Okay, so lots of trees, presents, sentiments, stockings. Yeah, lots and lots and lots in here. Oh, what's this guy? So cute. So jolly. And then this one, super cute. I feel like we got something really similar to this last year, which I used it, so I'm glad to have something else. Another one. So, okay. And then this like little package, really cute. Really cute little package. And yeah, lots of little things in here. There's 55 pieces, which is a lot. So, oh, and there's a cool little Merry Christmas TV. Yeah, so lots and lots in here. Okay, so that's just this first pack, and that's the main kit. I also get the paper kit, so I have doubles of all the papers, and then I get the cardstock kit. Here's the paper kit, so the doubles of everything. And then the cardstock kit has this like really deep red, kind of like a more muted red, this like black or gray kind of color, and then pink and basic white and your mustard color, this super deep foresty green color, and then this pretty kind of turquoise color, teal color. I don't know, is this teal or turquoise? So anyways, but yeah, these are your cardstock papers that you get. Okay, so that's the first three kits, and then we also have the stamps. So here's the stamp set. It's super cute. It's like your build your own globe kind of thing. So it's like a little globe, and then here's like snowman, the house, all these like sentiments. Really, really cute. So super excited to play with that. And then I'm gonna go through let's do the embellishment kit. So you get these puffy stickers. Really pretty. And then more chipboard stickers. So many chipboard stickers. You get so much. That's so cute. I love this, and I love this too. So adorable. And then another one of those like little packages. More ornaments. Really, really cute. Oh, how cute. I'm like looking at this through the screen, so yeah, I'm like seeing it as it's coming up, and look how cute. Oh, adorable. I love these. Okay, super cute. And then some more like phrase, like these are puffy stickers. Sweet treats. Happy holidays. Really cute. No peeking. So cute. Okay, so that's your puffy stickers, and then you also get these like little scripty alphas in black. And then there's three other packs. So one is vellum die cuts. I love when we get this color vellum. It's so pretty. And I just don't have a lot of stuff like this. It just adds like a completely different touch than just all the paper. So yeah, super pretty. I love all these little stars. So, or like, yeah, stars or snowflakes. I guess some of these like seem like stars, and then some of these seem kind of like snowflakes. So yeah, so that's these ones. And then also there's acetate too. So you get vellum and acetate, which is so cool. And ooh, let me just like spread these all around. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. All these little houses, and then oh cool. This little guy. These are so cute, these like little tall houses like that. Really cute. And lots more snowflakes. Oh, I love these ones. These three. Cute. Okay. Spread these guys around. Looks like huge wreath. And then, yeah, more trees. There's this cute little snowman guy here, and then a cute little gingerbread man. Let's take this guy out. Oh, yeah, cute little gingerbread, cute little snowman. Those are adorable. Okay, cool. So that's a lot in there too. So all of those acetate pieces, and then let me move these back over here. And then also there's another set of die cuts. So this one, you get all these pieces. And I will kind of lay these out too. Oh, so many cute houses that we get. So adorable. And then cute little Christmas trees on this pink car. It's so cute. I'm gonna say cute like 500 times in this video, sorry. It's so adorable, I love everything. I'm so excited to start my Christmas crafting. I was planning on starting a little earlier, but we'll start today. Okay, so yeah, this is everything from this kit. So lots of like houses and floral pieces and stockings. Yeah, I love a candy cane. So much. This cute little sweater guy. Presents. So yeah, that's everything in this kit, or in this package. And then that is the embellishment kit. So then from there, the last thing is the pocket light kit. So let's see. So here are all the cards. Just lay these guys out. These are good for like December daily. So cute. Just gonna go through these kind of quick. Oh, these are kind of cool. They match like all the papers, but in the middle it's like a spot for you to add a photo or whatever you want to add. So like there's two bar strips that match exactly all of the pattern papers. Little sentiment and then a spot for a photo. That's really cute. Super cute. Okay, that's a cool idea. And then some like completely like solid patterns with just some cute sentiments. So cool. Yeah, perfect for December dailies. Okay, so those are the cards, and then also there is this pack which has a bunch of numbers and some tags. So I will take this one out. And then this one, oh, this one is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I love every single one of these. This is adorable. Look at this guy. The glasses and the mug, that's so cute. Oh, I really love those. Those are like little chipboard stamps, and then some puffy stars. And then some more like mini alphas in like traditional red and green, and then some really small little words. I like when we get like teeny little kinds of things like this. So cute for adding on little embellishments or just like that little extra touch. So cute. And then also these puffy stickers, more packages, more cute little animals and trees and hot cocoa. So cute. And then, oh yes, I'm excited for these guys. I love these little mice. They're so cute. And then look at this guy. Hey, how come he's sleeping? Sleeping on the job. Okay, so really cute little images. There he is working. And then cute little house. I love these little mice though. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, and then yeah, that's everything. So yeah, I think that's everything, and I'm so excited to like dive in and play with all of this. I do have like other stuff in my Christmas stash, but honestly I'm probably just going to use only this for this year's Christmas, because this is more than enough. It's just like a lot. So yeah, I'm really excited to start playing with this today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.